Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode. Today I'm Ryan Gammon Sister, and let's do this. So yeah, let's get straight to this video. So I'm going to bring my dog. Look at that little guy. Look at him.
Fault garage door.
As you guys can see, he's sleeping. Just gonna walk in. Let's check out what he's doing. Look at his cute little face. Okay, he just woke up. Okay, come on, Domino. Say hi to the camera, Doms. Oh, he has so much spots. So say hi to the camera, Dom. Say hi, YouTube. Say hi, YouTube. Okay. Let's go into the room. So guys, I'm gonna get the